Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw baby bingo. That's right, we're going to draw a cute baby bingo. This baby bingo will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the baby bingo's two pointed ears. Next, we will draw in the rest of baby bingo's body. I'm going to have baby bingo's arms stretching out. You can draw the same thing as me, or you can change baby bingo's pose. For example, you can have her arms crossed or giving out high fives. Next, I will draw in Bingo's feet stretched out from her diaper. Let's add in some details and buttons to baby Bingo's diapers. Now we are ready to draw in Bingo's face. Let's start with her eyes and snout. Let's add in some eyebrows for Bingo too. If you like, you can change up the expression on Bingo's face. She can be happy, sad, or even surprised. What is happening in your drawing? Is Bingo waking up and seeing her mum? Is she excited to play with Bluey? What kind of story is your drawing trying to tell? Doesn't our baby Bingo look so cute already? We are now finished with the outline. Let's start coloring our baby Bingo. I will use my orange marker to color her ears and her body. Feel free to switch up any of the colors and have fun with your drawing. I will use my lighter sunshine orange to color in different parts of Bingo's body. Let's try our best to color within the lines and not leave any white gaps. I don't do a perfect job of this, but that's okay. I think it's more important to enjoy the drawing process and just have fun. Feel free to change up the colors or try using different types of orange. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Now we are ready to color in Baby Bingo's diaper. What color should we use? I like the color purple, so I'm going to color mine purple. Feel free to add in a design on the diaper, like a heart or star pattern if you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your baby Bingo. It can be a colorful hat. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your baby Bingo's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow! Look at our amazing little baby Bingo. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or a park. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of baby Bingos in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of our baby Bingo. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.